Hey everybody, so I'm doing my first video about my experience driving for DoorDash. When I first learned about DoorDash, it was through my kids. I hated it because I ordered some food. The food was ice cold when I got it. So the second time I had DoorDash, we ordered some pizza and it didn't come for like 2 hours. And they set it on the ground, didn't ring the doorbell, it was just outside for the raccoons to get it, I guess. The third time I ordered Popeye's chicken. The guy never brought the chicken. So when I looked at the DoorDash app before you order the food, well, after you order, it said, do you want a tip? And I'm like, why these tips so high? Like $5, $10, and $8. I'm like, I'm not tipping them nothing. So now that I drive for DoorDash, about to say Uber, now that I drive for DoorDash, I understand because we basically work from tips. So some of the orders might be $2.50, $3.50, might be $7, but the cheap orders, I see like when I look on YouTube, everybody declining because you didn't tip. So that's why I was getting my food late, and that's why I wasn't getting my food. It's wrong, but that's exactly why. So people don't understand stuff until they educate themselves about it. So now that I drive for DoorDash, I understand. So now if y'all wanna order from DoorDash, please tip, or you're not getting that food. People even on the YouTube eating the food, like leaving it on the ground, like. But like I said, it's not right. But from now on, when you order from these places, DoorDash, Uber Eats, whatever, please tip $1, $2, $3, whatever, because if you don't, it's gonna be bad for you and bad for us.